everyone, it's Dr. Rosado, and today I'm going to debunk the top 7 chiropractic myths. Chiropractic care has been around for over a century, and there are some misconceptions about it that need to be cleared up. So let's get started. Myth number 1, chiropractors are not doctors. This is absolutely not true. Chiropractors are licensed healthcare professionals who have completed an extensive education and training program. They are also required to pass 4 national board exams, physiotherapy boards depending on the state, and obtain a state license to practice. In fact, chiropractic education is very similar to medical education with the exception of pharmacology and surgery, where we do technique instead. Myth 2, chiropractic adjustments are dangerous. Chiropractic adjustments are safe when performed by a licensed and trained chiropractor. In fact, studies have shown that chiropractic care is one of the safest forms of healthcare available. The risk of serious or adverse events are estimated to be less than 1 in a million. Myth number 3, chiropractic care is only for back pain. Chiropractic care can help with a wide range of health issues, including neck pain, headaches, sciatica, and even digestive problems. Chiropractors work to restore proper function to the nervous system, which can improve overall health and wellness. Myth number 4, chiropractic is not evidence-based. This is absolutely not true. There are numerous studies that have shown the effectiveness of chiropractic care for various conditions. For example, a study published in the Journal of Manipulative and Physiological Therapeutics found that chiropractic care was more effective than medication when treating neck pain. Myth number 5, chiropractic care is expensive. Chiropractic care is often covered by insurance, and many chiropractors offer affordable payment plans. Additionally, chiropractic care can help prevent more expensive medical procedures down the road, like surgery. Myth number 6, chiropractors only crack bones. It's a funny one. Chiropractors do perform spinal adjustments, which can produce a cracking or popping sound. However, this sound is not the result of bones cracking. Instead, it's the sound of gas bubbles released from the joint. Myth number 7, chiropractic is addictive. Chiropractic is not addictive. Patients may choose to continue because they feel better when they do it, and they may want to maintain their health and wellness. However, chiropractors do not prescribe medication or perform surgeries, so there is no risk of addiction. So there you have it, the top 7 chiropractic myths debunked. Remember, chiropractic care is safe and effective. It's a form of healthcare that can help improve your overall health and wellness. So thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the sources below for more information.